Good morning, student. Today we read algebraic expression and identity. In previous video we have already read what are monomial, binomial, terms, factors, coefficient. Today and also in algebraic expression how to do addition and subtraction in previous video. In this video we discuss how to multiply of the multiplication of the algebraic expression. So first multiplying a monomial by a monomial. What is monomial? Let's remind. Monomial means the algebraic expression with one term. Okay. If there is only one term, then that is called monomial algebraic expression. So here two monomial. Here 4 is one number, another is x. So when you multiply, what answer will come? 4 into x, you know it is 4x. When we multiply 5x, 3x with 5y, so how do you multiply in such cases? So it is one monomial expression, it is another monomial expression. So 3x, 5y. So here 3 into 5 into x into y. Okay. So what answer will come? First these two factors, numerical two factors. First we multiply 3 5 ja 15 and x and y. Answer will xy. Okay. So when the variables x, y, z, the answer x into y, xy, x into z, xz, x into y into z, xyz. Like this answer will come when we multiply the variables. But numerical coefficient will be multiplied. Okay, what numerical coefficients of each term you multiply together and to get the answer. So here numerical coefficient is 3, here 5. So 3 5 ja first, 3 5 ja 15 and here two variables x and y multiplied you get 15xy. Here 9y 4y square. Same thing 9 into 4 into y into y square. So these are two numerical coefficients. 9 into 4 36. Here y, here y. Okay. So same base. Here nothing means here power 1, here power 2. Let's remind little exponent and power. So y to the power 1, y to the power 2. What? Y to the power 1 plus 2, you know it. So 36y cube. So y and y square when you multiply, you get y cube. Okay. The powers will be added. If base is same, the powers will be added. So 9 4 ja 36, y1, y square, answer will be y cube. So here another monomial, 3 monomials. When you multiply 3 monomials also same procedure. 4xy, 5xy, 6x cube y. So you just arrange them. First numerical coefficient at one place, then another variables, same variables. So like variables. So how it is? Suppose 4, 5, 6. 4 into 5 into 6. All the numerical coefficients. Then come to all x variables here. X, x square, x cube. X, x square, x cube. Okay. Another variable. Suppose y. Here y is there. So multiply y. Here y. Y square into y square into y cube. Okay. These are all numerical coefficient. Here it is x. Here it is y. So numerical coefficients first you multiply 4 5 ja 20, 26 ja 120. Okay. Then here x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3. X only means here x to the power 1. X to the power 1. So what? X to the power 3 plus 2 plus 1. X to the power 6. Okay. Here y to the power 1, y to the power 2, y to the power 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is y 6. So your answer will be 120 x6 y6. So like this you will multiply. First you like variables you arrange. First numerical coefficient, then like variables. If there is power, you just add the powers. If there is no power, just like this. first question x y. Suppose 3x into 2y into for suppose 4z. So first here numerical coefficient 3 into 2 into 4 into x into y into z. That means here numerical coefficient 3 2 is 6 4 is 24. Here x y z, these are unlike variables, so you will not, you simply write the all alphabets one by one, x y z. This is your answer. So numerical coefficient you multiply and x y z, to x into y into z. What? So 24 x y z. So multiplying a monomial by a binomial. How? Here it is monomial expression. It is another binomial expression. How to multiply 2 with a monomial with a binomial? Two terms are there. So first 3x with 5y. It is distributive property, you know very well. So this, then 3x again 2. So minus 3x into minus 5y. Minus 3x with minus 5y, then plus here plus minus 3x into 2. Okay, here's 2. So what answer? Minus y, minus 3, minus 5. First numerical coefficient 5 3 is 15, minus minus plus x y. Here minus 3x into 2. 2 3 is 6. So minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 6x. This is your answer. Okay. Multiply a monomial with binomial. Here also same thing. Here 5xy, y square 3. So 5xy with y square, 5xy with 3. So 5xy into y square plus 5xy into 3. So here how you will do? Here numerical coefficient only here 5, so write simply 5. X, there is no x, write x. Here y with y square. So here y to the power 1, y to the power 2, that is y to the power 3. 5x y cube. Then plus, here numerical coefficient 5, here only number 3. 5 3 is 15, here xy, simply write xy. So answer is 5x y cube plus 15 x y. Here multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So binomial means, suppose here question 3p plus 2. Okay. So here two numbers, here three terms. Here two terms, here three terms. So how you will multiply? You note then first 3p. First term with complete trinomial, then second term with complete trinomial. So 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Completely you write. Then here plus 2, bracket and plus 2. Again 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Okay. Again 3p with 4p square, 3p into 5p square, 3p into 7. You multiply. So 3 4 is 12. P square, p cube. Then 3 5 is 15. P square. Then 3 7 is 21. Okay. Then plus 2 4 is 8. Then p square. 2 5 is 10. P. Then 2 7 is 14. Now bring the like terms at one place. So here 12p cube, then 15p square, 8p square. How much? 23p square. When you plus, numericals will add it. Then 10p, same thing. Then 21 plus 14, 35. This is your answer. Okay. Here another question. It is a question of your exercise. Exercise 9.3. 3 number 2 bit question. Same thing, this is one term monomial, this is also another monomial. So how you will multiply? First bring the numerical coefficient 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10 into xy into x square y square, xy into x square y square. Okay, now you got 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9, so minus 3 by 5 into here x square. Okay, how much? X cube, then y square, y cube. Your answer will be minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. Now multiplying a trinomial by a trinomial. So here trinomial with 3 terms a, b, c, a, b, c. Okay, so same thing, distributive property. First a with complete 3, then b with 3, c with 3. So a multiplication a plus b minus c, then plus b multiply a plus b minus c, then again plus c into a plus b minus c. So this term, this trinomial will multiply individually by a, b, c. Okay, so here again a with a square, a with b, ab, then a with minus c, minus ac. Okay, then plus ba or ab, you can write ab plus ab, then b with b plus b square, then b minus c minus bc. Okay, then again c into a plus ca, c into b plus bc, c into c minus c square. Okay, so now here a square, here b square, here minus c square, being a square plus b square minus c square, then here plus ab plus ab plus ab plus 2ab, then minus ac plus ca will cut, then minus bc plus bc will again cut. So now your answer is a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab. Here it is answer. So you can multiply easily if you know the procedure: monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, monomial to trinomial, or binomial binomial, binomial with trinomial, or binomial with polynomial, or polynomial to polynomial. Procedure is same. Okay, but while doing the multiplication you must be careful while multiplying the plus with minus or minus with plus, or while adding or subtracting you must be careful about the symbols. Then if you understand the same trick, then it is very easy to multiply the different polynomials or binomials. So I hope you can understand and you can easily solve the problems. Thank you.